Hello, today I want to give you a brief overview of Cosmo Consult's CC Product Data Management. The Product Data Management has four elements. At first, it's the drawing management, then the change management, the revision management, and last but not least, the CAD connector. These four elements together are the CC Product Data Management. Today I want to show you the CAD connector. The CAD connector is an optional element of CC Product Data Management. It can be licensed separately. With the CAD connector we have the possibility to connect more than 30 different CAD, PDM and PLM systems with Dynamics 365 BC. The data exchange is bidirectional and ensures that only checked data were created in the ERP system. A visual coding shows the discrepancies between the data of the ERP and the CAD system. The data can be cleaned in CADlink before they were transferred to the ERP system. This makes sure that only clean data were used in the ERP system.